स्टूडेंट देखिए, यूनिट चल रही है फिफ्थ, और फिफ्थ यूनिट का ये टॉपिक है लास्ट। इसकी पहले थ्योरी करेंगे, फिर इसके न्यूमेरिकल। देखिए, डिडक्शंस फ्रॉम ग्रॉस टोटल इनकम एज पर सेक्शन 80A in the computing the total income of the NSSC, the deductions under section 80C to 80U are to be allowed from his gross total income. जैसे ए, डिडक्शंस इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ सर्टेन पेमेंट्स। नंबर वन है डिडक्शन इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ सर्टेन पेमेंट्स। ये देखिए, डिडक्शन इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, डिफर्ड एन्यूटी, contribution to provident fund, subscription to certain equity share or debentures, etc. section 80C। इसमें जैसे कि लाइफ इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम, सब्सक्रिप्शन टू सुकन्या समृद्धि अकाउंट, पेमेंट इन कनेक्शन with unit linked insurance। थर्ड है पेमेंट इन कनेक्शन with unit link insurance। फोर्थ, सब्सक्रिप्शन टू नोटिफाइड गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज। नंबर फाइव, परचेज और कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ न्यू रेसिडेंशियल हाउस। नंबर सिक्स, सब्सक्रिप्शन टू शेयर्स और डिवेंचर्स और यूनिट ऑफ एनी म्यूचुअल फंड। 7. Withdrawal of amount from certain deposits। B. Point आता है deduction in respect of contribution to certain pension funds, section 80 ट्रिपल C। देखिए, it means it provide for a deduction to an individual for any amount paid or deposited by him in an annuity plan of the Life Insurance Corporation of India or any other insurer for receiving in pension from the fund referred to in section 10 subsection 23 double AB। Next is deduction in respect of contribution to pension scheme of central government, section 80 double CD। It means an employee of the central government who has been appointed on after 1st January 2004 second, an employee of any other employer, third, an SSC being an individual। Next, aggregate amount of deductions, section 80 double CE, deduction in respect of investment in listed equity share, etc. Deduction in respect of investment in listed equity share, etc. section 80 double CG। It means wherein a resident individual acquires listed equity shares in accordance with notified scheme or listed unit of an equity oriented fund, he shall be entitled to a deduction of 50% of the amount invested in such equity share or units during the previous year, or 25,000, whichever is less। E. Deduction in respect of medical insurance premium, section 80D। It means where an amount is paid to a lump sum is the previous year for health insurance premium for more than a year, then subject to the provisions of each section, there shall be allowed for each of the relevant previous year a deduction equal to the appropriate fraction of the amount. F. Deduction in respect of medical treatment, etc. Section 80 double D B. It means it provides for a deduction to a resident individual or a resident Hindu undivided family for expenditure actually paid on the medical treatment of individual himself or a dependent or any member of Hindu undivided family in respect of disease. Number G. Deduction in respect of interest on loan taken for higher education, section 80E. It means an individual is entitled to a deduction of the amount paid by him in the previous year by way of interest on loans taken by him from any financial institution or an approved charitable institution for the purpose of pursuing his higher education for the purpose of higher education of his relative. Next, deduction in respect of donation to certain funds, charitable institution, etc. Section 80G. This section allows the deduction in respect of amount given as charitable donation and it is allowed to all types of SSC. Deduction in respect of rent paid. It means an employee who is not in receipt of house allowance from his employer or self-employed person can claim relief under section 80GG in respect of rent paid by him towards furnished or unfurnished residential accommodation occupied by him. Next student, deduction in respect of certain donation for scientific research or rural development. Section 80GG. In computing the total income of an SSC, 100% of the following sums paid by deducted. Sums paid in the previous year to a research association or to a university, college, other institution to be used for scientific research provided that such association, university, college or institutions, etc. is approved for the purpose. Last, deduction in respect of contribution given by Indian company to political parties. In computing the total income of an Indian company, any sum contributed by it in the previous year to any political party or an electoral trust shall be allowed as deduction. इसके बाद स्टूडेंट इसका नंबर 2 पॉइंट आता है डिडक्शन इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ सर्टेन इनकम्स. ये थी पेमेंट्स. अब इसके बाद सर्टेन इनकम्स. डिडक्शन इन रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ सर्टेन इनकम्स, इससे पहले हमने पेमेंट्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया. द डिडक्शन इज प्रोवाइडेड अंडर एनी सेक्शंस हेयर आफ्टर दिस चैप्टर with reference to any income will be allowed in respect of the net amount of income that nature included in the gross total income of any SSC. Number 1, deduction in respect of profit and gains from undertakings or enterprise engaged in the infrastructure development. Section 80 IA. It means a deduction will be allowed from the gross total income to an SSC in respect of profit and gains derived from any business. Number 2, deduction in respect of profit and gains by an undertaking or enterprise engaged in the development of a special economic zone. It means who is entitled to deduction? A developer who derives from profit and gains from any business of developing a special economic zone notified after 31st March 2005 under the Special Economic Zones Act 2005. Number 3, deduction in respect of profit and gains from specified business. Here deduction will be allowed from the gross total income to an SSC being an eligible startup in respect of profit and gains derived from eligible business. Number 4, deduction in respect of profit and gains from housing project. It means the project is approved by the competent authority empowered by the central government. Deduction in respect of profit and gains from undertaking or enterprise in special category states. A deduction will be allowed from gross total income to an SSC in respect of profit and gains derived from business. Number 6, deduction in respect of employment of new employees. Section 80 JJAA. It means who derives profit and gains from business and is required to get his account audit under section 44AB. Number 7, deduction in respect of certain incomes of offshore banking unit of international financial service sector. Section 80LA. It means a scheduled bank or any bank incorporated by or under the laws of country outside India having offshore banking unit in a special economic zone. Number 8, deduction in respect of income of cooperative societies, Section 80P. A cooperative bank shall not be entitled to deduction under this section. However, a primary agriculture credit society or a primary cooperative agricultural and rural development bank shall be entitled to deduction under this section. Number 9, deduction in respect of certain incomes of producer companies. A producer company having a total turnover of less than 100 crore rupees, including the turnover of eligible business during the previous year. Deduction in respect of royalty income of authors, section 80 QB. An author, including a joint author of books, being a work of literary, artist or scientific nature. Last, deduction in the case of person with disability, section 80U. An individual resident in India and who is certified by the medical authority to be a person with disability. Quantum of deduction, disability 75,000 और सर्विस डिसेबिलिटी 1,25,000। स्टूडेंट, डिडक्शंस टू बी मेड वाइल कंप्यूटिंग टोटल इनकम, इस पर कल इसके क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।